There shouldn't be many changes to the previous tutorial, however, there is one. The pipeline compiler allows us to load and hot reload pipelines. This used to be a file manager too, however, that was changed. Now, you just have to provide the default to the pipeline compiler if you don't want to change the include directory. Previously, the pipelines had annoying lifetime issues and constant generic issues. However, it is now possible to not only clone the pipeline, but use it in homogeneous collections. Have fun with this. It will make for more complex data structures using pipelines possible. Here, we read the source file into a string. We provide this to the pipeline compiler whenever we want to load or hot reload the pipeline. And of course, the fragment shader lives in the same file because the pipeline compiler automatically adds hashtag define vertex, hashtag define fragment, or hashtag define compute if it's a compute shader. Have fun with this. Enjoy. There shouldn't be many more changes like this.